lovelies, and welcome to my channel. My name is Charmaine if you're new to my channel, and this video is just to talk about somebody that came into my life 4 years ago. She was just such an amazing human being, and she's no longer with us anymore. Most of you probably know her name is Asha Sharron here on YouTube. She was an amazing YouTuber. She had lupus and she was waiting for a double lung transplant. So she was sick for about 10 years. But that girl, like I said, came into my life 4 years ago. We met on YouTube and we were subscribed to each other. And I said, oh, I like to, meet new people and make friends. And she's like, oh, well, we can be friends. Give me your phone number. I'm like, really? She's like, yeah, I'll blow up your phone with text messages. And that's exactly what happened. We spoke almost every day for the past 4 years. She's truly amazing. We laughed together, shared jokes together. She always encouraged me with my YouTube, was giving me helpful tips to improve, always listened to me. She was just fantastic. Even though she was in pain and sick, that girl never complained. She always had a positive attitude. There is nothing bad that I can say about her. She was just an amazing soul, and her spreading her journey with her lupus and her waiting for her double lung transplant, such an incredible story. This is something that she gave me, which I'll treasure. She ordered it on AliExpress, and I'm like, oh my god, that makeup bag is so cool. And she's like, do you want one when it comes back in stock? 'Cause it was sold out. And I'm like, yeah, sure, thank you. So she sent me this. It says face shit. It's a makeup bag, so all my face stuff goes in there when I'm traveling. I just thought that was really sweet, and I'm truly going to miss her. And when I found out that she passed away, I cried for 2 days straight, because I have never lost a friend before. I didn't realize it would hurt as much as losing a family member, but it did. It hurt a lot, but I had to realize and stop being so selfish and realize that she's in a better place now. She's not suffering anymore, and she's happy, she's at peace. And I had to realize that. Sometimes we're a little bit selfish and we want the person around, but she's suffering, so she's in a better place now, and I have to remember that. I'm always going to cherish our text message. I have pages and pages of texts. I have so many texts from her, and sometimes I get a little bit down because I'm waiting for one to pop through from Ash and I don't get it, but it's okay. I have a lot of memories of things that we used to speak about, and I'll treasure those. It really puts things into perspective. We complain about, oh, we got some jiggly arms, or extra meat on our tummies, or whatever. We complain about the stupidest things, when all this person wanted was a pair of lungs, something that I have, and I'm complaining about jiggly arms when I can just go to the gym and get rid of those jiggly arms. It really puts things into perspective. So I'm telling you guys, treasure your loved ones and your friends. Tell them that you love them. Do not take them for granted. Don't even take your life for granted. Enjoy it as best as you can. Just do it. I'm gonna live by her motto, which was YOLO. Whenever I'd say, Ash, I don't know if I should order this makeup, it's really expensive, she'd be like, YOLO, girl. She's like, you only live once. Enjoy it. As long as your bills are paid, enjoy it. If you want that makeup palette, get it. If you want that new car, go get it. Enjoy your life. And that's exactly what I'm going to do, and cherish my friends and my loved ones, and not take life for granted, and stop complaining about the jiggly arms, and just work harder at the gym. So that's all that I have to say. I'm gonna insert a few pictures of my lovely friend because it's just a beautiful soul. I'm telling you, just a beautiful soul. That's all that I have to say, my lovelies. I'll see you around. Bye.
Today, I'm celebrating 1 month in a hospital. Can you believe that? I want to always remain grateful and thankful for even the smallest things like this to offer us. I just want to be full of